Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to translate page in Chrome on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you can open your Chrome browser. Okay, after that, here you can open the website you need to translate. Well, and then please click on three dots at the top right corner, and then here you can select Translate option. Okay, and then the language on your Chrome page is successfully translated. Well, that's the tutorial on how to translate page in Chrome on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel.